Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new process video for you in my junk journal. In this video, I will be working on the right side of the page because I already have a video out where I completed the left side of the page. So I'm just working here. I have this piece of vellum in my journal that has been that I printed this pattern on, and then behind it is a dictionary page. So I will do a little bit of layering here behind the vellum, and then I will end up taping the vellum and the dictionary together. And then all else I'm doing here on this spread is I'm just going to put in a bunch of labels here for my stash in a vertical line going down the side here, which is I have quite a lot of labels that I've printed out over as I've been working. So this is a good tactic that I should use more often, and just using as many labels as I can in a layout. So it's a fun challenge, and you could give it a try if you're like me and you have a lot of labels sitting around. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.